everyone, I just wanted to let you know that yes, there's going to be some new tutorials coming out, and sorry that I haven't been making videos lately. It's because of 3 reasons. 1, the craft room that I use is very messy. As you can see, I'm spending today cleaning this room up. And the second reason is because it's been so very cold in this room because I have no heater vent. I just have this little plug-in guy, and it's just been so cold that I couldn't even work in here. It's freezing. There's ice on the windows every morning. And the third reason is I got a kitten. Say hi. We've been playing with her like crazy. We even got her a little house. It's so cute. We can go inside. You can see all her little toys. Oh, this is one of her favorites. She just got done running around like crazy, so she's all tired out. Come on. She wants to play, but at the same time, she's tired out. Oh, I think she's gonna get it. She hit the button on the phone. You're crazy. I better go fix it. Well, I'm gonna start cleaning. See you guys soon. Bye.